How to install apps that are not in Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In this video, I'll show you how to install apps that are not in your Google Play Store, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, I won't tell you to download some sketchy APK files from Google and so on. I'll just show you a legit way on how you can download hidden apps on Play Store. So in this case, I'll open up my Play Store, right? And let's say I want to download Venmo. I'll type in Venmo, but you can see I don't have the Venmo app. Similarly, if I go ahead and then type in Messenger Lite, let's say, and when I type in Messenger Lite, again you'll be able to see I don't have Messenger Lite, I only have the official Messenger. Similarly, when I want to type in, let's say, Cash App, right, I'll just type in Cash App, and if I want to download Cash App, you can see I don't have that app as well. So there are a couple apps that are not available in my region, and I won't tell you to download a VPN, but I'll show you a simple trick to unlock those hidden apps. So all you have to do is open up your browser. And then let's say you were searching for Cash App, right? So I'll just type in Cash App, and then I'll type in Play Store. So when you type in Cash App Play Store, you'll be able to see Cash App on Google Play Store or the Cash App official website, or you'll be able to see play.google.com link, right? So if you see the official website of Cash App, just open it up. And in most of the cases, you can see you'll find a button called Download Cash App from the bottom of the official website of the app that you're trying to download. So when you tap on Download Cash App, it will redirect you to a page of that specific Google Play Store link. So in this case, it already redirected me because I have already downloaded this application. Now in another occasion, let's say you are searching for Venmo. So you want to type in Venmo, and then you want to type in, let's say, Play Store. So when you type in Venmo and type in Play Store, you'll see a Google Play link at the very first, right? So you can just tap on this Venmo option and it will open up in Google Play Store, as you can see. But still, if I go ahead and search for it, I'll not be able to find Venmo, but you can see it is actually hidden when I opened it up from the link. The other app we had was, let's say, Messenger Lite, right? So I'll just type in Messenger Lite Google Play Store. So let me go ahead and type in Messenger Lite and then type in Play Store link, right? And once I do that, I'll be able to see all this, and then here you'll be able to see play.google.com that says Messenger Lite apps on Google Play. All you have to do is just tap on it, and then again it will just open up in your Play Store, and then you can tap on the install button to download them. And this is how you can download hidden apps on Google Play Store. Sometimes it will not just show up. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.